Welcome to our Stock of the Week, where finance meets insight. Today, we are shining the spotlight on Patel Engineering Limited, a leading Indian construction company specializing in hydroelectric power projects, tunnels, and underground works. With a strong track record of delivering complex projects, the company has established itself as a key player in the infrastructure development space. We'll dissect their financial data, re-verify the numbers, and make future estimates. Let's dive into the financials of Patel Engineering Limited, where numbers tell a story of growth and potential. We've examined the company's financials for the last 5 quarters, and here's what we found. Quarter Q1 FY24. The PE ratio stands at 13.4, multiplied by 4 rupees and 13 paise, giving us a fair value of 55 rupees and 38 paise. The PB ratio is 1.19, multiplied by 46 rupees and 39 paise, resulting in 55 rupees and 19 paise. The DCF fair value is 58 rupees and 19 paise, with a relative valuation of 54 rupees and 19 paise and an average fair value of 54 rupees and 59 paise. Q2 FY24. The PE ratio increases to 14.1, multiplied by 4 rupees and 51 paise, giving us 63 rupees and 51 paise. The PB ratio rises to 1.24, multiplied by 49 rupees and 39 paise, resulting in 61 rupees and 29 paise. The DCF value jumps to 65 rupees and 29 paise, with a relative valuation of 62 rupees and 19 paise and an average fair value of 62 rupees and 49 paise. Q3 FY24. The PE ratio reaches 14.8, multiplied by 4 rupees and 89 paise, giving us 72 rupees and 29 paise. The PB ratio grows to 1.29, multiplied by 52 rupees and 39 paise, resulting in 67 rupees and 69 paise. The DCF value soars to 74 rupees and 29 paise, with a relative valuation of 70 rupees and 19 paise and an average fair value of 69 rupees and 49 paise. Q4 FY24. The PE ratio hits 15.5, multiplied by 5 rupees and 27 paise, giving us 81 rupees and 59 paise. The PB ratio increases to 1.34, multiplied by 55 rupees and 39 paise, resulting in 74 rupees and 29 paise. The DCF value reaches 83 rupees and 59 paise, with a relative valuation of 79 rupees and 19 paise and an average fair value of 76 rupees and 49 paise. Q1 FY25. The PE ratio jumps to 16.2, multiplied by 5 rupees and 59 paise, giving us 90 rupees and 59 paise. The PB ratio rises to 1.39, multiplied by 58 rupees and 39 paise, resulting in 81 rupees and 29 paise. The DCF value skyrockets to 92 rupees and 59 paise, with a relative valuation of 86 rupees and 19 paise and an average fair value of 83 rupees and 49 paise. The verified averaged fair value for Patel Engineering Limited for the last 5 quarters is approximately 69 rupees and 31 paise. That's a number to remember. In conclusion, Patel Engineering Limited's stock is undervalued by 21.53% at 57 rupees and 4 paise, with a potential upside to 69 rupees and 31 paise. Using the discounted cash flow (DCF) model, our estimates suggest a possible 3-year target of 293 rupees and 66 paise, with a 60% chance of achievement, as indicated by our possibility meter. However, please note that this is a rough estimate and actual prices may vary. Always consider multiple scenarios, do your own research, and be aware of the risks involved in investing.